I'm going to be showing you an in-depth view of my analysis, how I was able to trade, and some trades that I currently place at the moment, which I'm currently in profit. I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to analyze this pair with the strategies I use, which is the top-down analysis. Okay, so I probably believe that most of you must have had it before, but if you're not just saying this for the first time, just basically a trading strategy where you go on a monthly time frame, you analyze the market, then scale out on the lower time frame and trade in that direction of the higher time frame, which is usually the strategy that Dapolis, if you know Dapolis itself. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to analyze this, because if you look at my screen at the moment, I'm currently in profit for Euro AUD at the moment. Okay, so this trade has been going in my favor. Okay, so I want to show you guys how I was able to analyze this pair and able to make a conclusion that this trade is going to be going on for a very long amount of time. So this is the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame, guys. So I plot my trade line from the top to the bottom, and I could see that the market was forming a uptrend structure, which is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it needs to confirm is higher high, which is this level target. This was what gave me the confirmation that okay, this market was in an uptrend, and it was still on the trend line. So I was so even confident it was the uptrend. And secondly, again, I drew my Fibonacci again when I placed my Fibonacci, and I placed my drew my Fibonacci along this region. So from here, from this swing low to this swing high, we could see something, guys. Look at what was in. Okay, so the market was on. See it from swing high to from swing low to swing high. The market was playing around the 50 and the 60 Fibonacci region, which is giving me a clear confirmation that this market is going to be going up, guys, and it's from an inverse double top, which broke above this my counter trade line and it's going up. So this market is going to be selling, which I'm so much confident, because I have three confidences. The first confidence is the uptrend structure it formed, and the second confidence was the Fibonacci region that the market showed us just now, and the third confidence was the broke above this counter trade line. I have a journal where I recorded this trade. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you this trade as you can see in front of my screen by the side. This trade is currently running in profit. So initially this trade was currently in loss before, because this was my journal. Before I get into the trade, I take a screenshot of everything, so I'll be honest with everything I'm actually saying, so you guys can see how the market was before I was able to get into the trade. So it from this was when it framed the double touch, one touch, two touch, three touch, and it wanted to break the counter trend. So this was the region I entered. Okay, this was this point here. I was okay, I have to, because I saw this little break above here and it's a little retest. Okay, so this was the point where I was able to enter the trade. The market was, I was in loss for some weeks. Okay, for some days. I was holding this trade for about, let's see, I've already this is last week Tuesday, I've been Monday. I can't really remember the day. I was in loss for some time. Okay, the market can see the market was just running about. I see one, so it was now coming down to my stop loss region. I was so much confident that this market is gonna be going up. Okay, but I was just that was why I had to keep my risks so low. So what now gave me another clear confirmation this market is going to be going up, because at some point I was starting doubting myself. But what now gave me the confirmation was when I saw this inverse double top formation. That was when I knew, okay, yeah, this market is going to be going up. Immediately it broke above this little counter trade that I drew here. So immediately the market broke above this counter trade line, and I saw this bullish engulfing candle. I was like, yes, this trade is going to be going up for a very long time. So if you are watching this video, you can look for a little retracement around. Maybe you can see some retracement around minor. You can usually get into the trade when you see minor retracement level. I'm very so much confident that the next level target for this trade is going to be 1.72189. So guys, that's where I usually trade. So I trade from with the use of the top-down analysis. So let's go to the next currency pair I'm currently trading at the moment, which is GBP CAD. So let me go to my journal and show you guys what I did based on which. So this is GBP CAD. I'm also in profit with this trade as well, guys. So let me show you how I was able to analyze the pairs. I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be placing the video screenshot on my screen as you guys are watching this video and decided. So I did my analysis on the monthly time frame, guys, and I noticed that this market has been a downtrend for a very since the beginning days of this GBP CAD market structure. So it has been in a very downtrend. See it, I just like my trade line from way back to 2003 to 2023. So I did my counter trend. Not really, this is counter trend, whatever you guys call it. I don't know how you guys call it. We have a way of calling we will pronounce our own ways of trade, calling trade line. So I do my trade line from here, the first touch, second touch. So it was as this region I was expecting the market to come, because if you look into my journal, let me show you guys my journal, guys. So if you should look into my journal, so you guys have a very poor internet connection. So if you should look into my journal here, guys, this was the first analysis I did. Okay, so if you go down, see it. So I was anticipating for price to touch this trade line here, which is give it a second touch, then rally up to this support to this resistance region, then bounce off here and break this counter trade line before I start selling down to 1.5000, 5,000, sorry. So I was like, okay, once I see a break above this trade line, I'm gonna be selling this trade for as long as it's falling down to this region. But when I came on my chart, when I saw these two bullish candles, I knew this trade was going to get here, this was before and this was after. So I went to the daily time frame, guys. So I went to the daily time frame, and I saw this big. I was watching this trade going up, and I saw this big bullish bearish engulfing candle. That was when I knew this trade is going to go down to my feet. It was like this region here, this bullish engulfing candle here, the start of the candlesticks of this bearish engulfing candle that entered into the trade. So and I saw these two bullish candles. That was when I was like, oh, this market really wants to change my direction. But I was still confident, okay? Because if you remember, guys, I vividly said it has to break this trade line before I sell. But I was still looking for a minimum short-term sale, okay, which is under this overall sell trade we are gonna be selling. But I was still much confident. I was like, okay, let's watch and see. But when I saw this bearish, I was still in loss at the moment. You guys, this because I was already in the trade. I'm gonna be showing you a screenshot. Okay? I was in loss. But when I saw this bearish engulfing, I knew that okay, this trade is gonna get my favor. I was not confident, and I had peace of mind and stuff like that. But I was already straight for 2 days or 3 days plus so as well. So when I saw this candle, trade that is currently going now, just as I said. So guys, our next level target for this trade is going to be 1.63608. This region, guys. These are close. These are going to be closing our profit. Then once the trade has broke this counter trade line again, once it broke this counter trade line, okay, then we're going to be selling way down this region. So we have 2 options to get into a sell trade from this trade. So guys, let's go to the second trade, the last trade I placed for today, which is the euro card. I think it was the euro, yeah, the euro card. So if you, as you can see in my screen now, guys, this trade is currently rolling in profit. Okay, now, yeah, so we're currently in profit in this trade. So how was I able to analyze this pair? So I went on the monthly, just as I usually do, guys. I went to the monthly. I noticed they take a triple touch 1, 2, 3 on the upward trend line. Okay, so there's a lot of price action that usually says once price touch the trend line 3 times, there is a best tendency that the price is going to be moving in the initial direction for a very, very long amount of time, which is the basic law of price action. Okay, so sorry guys. So I now drew this trend line again from all the way top to the bottom here. I noticed that the price broke. I saw when price broke above and below this bearish trend line, but I was not interested in selling because I noticed that because of this major level, this blue level around this place. Okay, so I was not interested in selling because I don't know what's going to happen when price is going to be getting to this level. But I'll say, okay, I'm going to be waiting if price was able to break this level. And there's a best tendency that once price breaks below this level, then the next level for price is going to be 1.35352. So I went back to my charts and I saw something different. So I saw this chart formation and I drew my minor counter trend from here to the top. What did I notice, guys? Price break below this counter trend and it has broken below the counter trend, and so it was at this when I saw these 2 bearish candles. That was when I knew, yeah, this trade is going to continue selling to this region. Okay, so I got into a trade around this region. Then the market made some bearish candle, which was kind of as if I was in loss, which I'm showing you guys here. But now look at it now. I saw this bearish candle. I'm currently on this trade live at the moment, and I'm showing you guys right in front of my screen. So these are the trade I am currently live, and all trades are actually running in my favor. So we're going to be seeing by the end of this week if this trade is going to go my favor or not. So this is my analysis and this is the way I trade. So if you like what I do, kindly like this channel, subscribe, and watch out for my next videos. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys on how I was able to analyze this market. So if it's what you like, please kindly subscribe. Please, this is just a way to encourage me to make more videos like this. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Until I see my next video.